Now what you need to know before you play guitar is your first 3 chords. They'll mostly come up in songs, but not all the time they come up in songs. So, the first one is A. So what you want to do here, put your first finger right there, to get your second finger right underneath it, and then the third finger right there. Should sound like that, but this is an acoustic guitar, but if you're over, you can have any other guitar. And then you can have D. So put this finger right on here, right there, and then the second finger right there, and third finger right there. So right there. And it should sound like that. And then we've got E. So you have to put your first finger right here, second finger up there, third finger there. So yeah, just to do that again because I think I got it wrong. First finger there, second finger up there, third finger there. I keep on getting that wrong. Okay, so one finger there, one finger on there, another finger on there, and another finger on there. So it should sound like that. So there are your first simple chords. So like the A, D, and A minor. No. A, D, and A. Yep. So I've got a pick here, a capo, and a guitar. You need a guitar, or you can't do any of this stuff. So once you're going up in the guitar, you'll soon learn how to go up a guitar. But this is just simple chords. These are what we call frets. So first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and more. So yeah, that's all. So you can tune your guitar by either using one of these, or if you have an acoustic guitar, and it should play right there. Yeah, so that's really all. So that's really the end of the video there, guys. So, guys, I'll see you later in my next video, tutorial of guitar. Bye.